Good morning, everyone. Going hiking. It is about 9 a.m. and it's already super hot in Florida. Sun is out. But Ace and I love going into the woods. Come with me. Please enjoy the peaceful hike and the birds. And we might see some wild life like deer and sometimes bears. Comment below, guys, who likes to go out in the nature, enjoy a nice hike. We certainly do. Right, Ace? Good morning.
Good.
So you guys, you can camp out here, which is really pretty nice. Come on, Ace. Going down the hill. Up! Go! Good boy! Let's go, Bubba's! Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Oh, little snacks, huh?
Lots of snacks.
He will eat it all.
Hello, how are you?
Come on.
No snacks for you.
Right?